Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. Need to reset your Messenger pin code to sync your chat history? Ensuring seamless communication across devices is essential. Let's explore the step-by-step process to reset your Messenger pin code. So go to the Messenger app on your mobile device and tap on those three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Now click on setting icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, scroll down and select privacy and safety. This section contains options for managing your Messenger account and privacy settings. Here select encrypted chats option and now choose the first option of message storage. Here you can see we have this option of reset pin. Click on it and this will allow you to reset your current pin code and create a new one. Enter your desired combination of numbers to create a new PIN code for your Messenger account. After that, confirm your PIN and then click on Submit. By following these steps, you can easily reset your Messenger PIN code and ensure seamless communication across devices. Don't forget to keep your PIN code secure and avoid sharing it with anyone to protect your privacy and security. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe the How To channel.